friends, guess what I have? I have the rescue mini penguin. I'll show you up close. To rescue this mini penguin, it really needs our help. Coming, little penguin. I'm gonna rescue you here soon. Here I come, mini penguin. I got you, mini penguin. I told you I will help you. Look, it's hot. Let me check your heartbeat. Heartbeat is fine. Clean you, little penguin. I have you now. You're gonna be safe. I'm cleaning you, I'm cleaning you. All clean now. Now I have to put on your hat. My mini penguin is all rescued. My mini penguin. See you later, Zigazoo friends.